Hey everyone, ready to turn back the clock and get that youthful glow without breaking the bank? Today, I've got 7 natural DIY face mask recipes that are perfect for keeping your skin healthy and youthful. Let's dive in. First up, we have the coffee and milk mask. This one's a fantastic exfoliant that also moisturizes and stimulates your skin. Just mix some used coffee grounds, preferably raw, with milk to form a thick paste. Apply it to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and feel the freshness. Next, the flaxseed and yogurt mask. This mask hydrates, firms, and protects your skin. Simply combine ground flaxseed with plain yogurt. Apply it, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Your skin will thank you. Now let's talk about the apricot and banana mask. It's packed with vitamins that boost skin elasticity and give you a healthy glow. Blend or mash a peeled apricot and banana together. Apply it to your entire face, including the eyes and lips. Rinse off after it cools. Instant radiance. Moving on to the strawberry and egg white mask. This one is a collagen booster that reduces fine lines and firms your skin. Mix some mashed strawberries with egg white, apply it for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. You'll notice smoother, tighter skin. 5th on our list is the coconut oil and cocoa powder mask. It soothes, exfoliates, and removes dead skin cells. Mix virgin coconut oil with cocoa powder and apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and chest. Rinse off with a warm washcloth. Your skin will feel unbelievably soft. Next, the avocado and olive oil mask. This one's a powerhouse for moisturizing and protecting your skin from toxins. Puree some avocado pulp with olive oil and apply generously. After rinsing, you'll be left with deeply hydrated skin. Last but not least, the rice flour cleanser. Inspired by Japanese beauty practices, this cleanser smooths your skin and may even reduce wrinkles. Mix brown rice flour with unsweetened organic milk. Massage it onto your face in circular motions and rinse. Follow up with your favorite toner and moisturizer. So there you have it, 7 amazing natural face masks that can help you look and feel younger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time with more skincare tips.